coming up this hour at 12:30. Okay, who likes to get their laugh on? Tomorrow night is going down at the Apache, the Snack Pack. Now, this is an improv sketch comedy show. So it's kind of like Dave Chappelle meets Whose Line Is It Anyway? And if you like comedy, if you like these kind of shows, I got your tickets coming up at 12:30 for the Snack Pack show at the Apache Cafe. Also,
Snack Pack logo. You gotta check it out. People, this is history. It's history. Crystal clear.
Yo, look at this logo. Don't look
This shit is history.
Look at the logo. Look at me.
Lightning.
I extend myself so you go out and tell a friend. Seeing all these hands on what you believe in. Faith is what you make it. That's the hardest shit that's ever been ran. Alien can blend right on in with the can. Look again, cause I swear I spot one every now and then. It's happening again.
It's on. The world is over.
This is Andre. Y'all just don't have to make a man. I go down. You know, eventually down. Horoscope. Often lie. And sometimes lie. Nothing is for show. Nothing is for certain. Nothing lasts forever, but until they close the curtain. It's him and I. I'm swimming high.
I want to go put this on everybody's wall, like.
You know what I'm saying? Just post.
right now, 404-741-1079. The Snack Pack and Apache for Fall Out Fridays. Caller number 9, the tickets are yours from Hot 1079.
Have a baby, buy me, baby. Be a millionaire.